Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends. Meet Chicky. Let's draw and bring this little chicken to life with colors. Grab your crayons, markers, or paints and get ready to draw and color Chicky's feathers, beak, and wings.
Fabulous. Whoa. Cool. Whoa. Fantastic. Bravo.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.